Are you ready for a world where patients consult AI instead of Googling you? Well, it's already happening. You see, Google processes 5 trillion search queries every year, and yet 61% of Gen Z and 53% of millennials say that they actually prefer using AI tools to find answers, rather than relying on Google. With the rise of voice search, ChatGPT, and other AI tools, the landscape is shifting rapidly. In fact, in over 15 years of working in SEO, I've never witnessed a change like this in how patients are searching for their dentists. But one thing is very clear. If your marketing is still locked in search engine mode, then you're already falling behind. In fact, in this video, I'm going to break down what this shift means for your practice. We're going to look at how you can adapt so that future patients can actually find you. We're going to look at what's changing in the patient search behavior, because this is where the biggest fundamental changes happen. You see, Google isn't disappearing. It's not going anywhere. But it's also no longer the only way that patients find you. Patients are starting to ask conversational questions. They're using AI tools, they're using smart speakers, they're using smartphones. In fact, voice search is gaining momentum, especially for local services like dental practices. AI tools will start to pull answers from trusted, structured content. It's not relying only on those that used to rank first in the organic search results. For example, you might hear, "Hey Siri, who's the best dentist near me who takes Cigna and sees children?" You see, the problem with traditional SEO thinking is that the old strategy was focused in on ranking for specific phrases, ranking for only very simple keywords, like cosmetic dentist near me. But the new reality is that AI and voice searches want to look at full answers. They don't look at just the keywords. It's more conversational. And when we look at what most dental websites are built for, they're built for Google bots. They're not built for real questions that patients ask out loud. Local SEO is absolutely still essential, but it has to be supported by human-first content. You can't game the system anymore. You need to be helpful, trustworthy, and most importantly, you have to be real. So how do you stay visible in the voice search and AI era? Focus on human-first content. Create content that meets the needs of your patients. Use examples like FAQs, your own personal story, and of course, include patient testimonials. Use natural language. Think like a patient, not like a dentist. Develop content that sounds like people you actually speak to. Here's a couple of quick wins that you can implement and see results right away. 1, optimize your Google business profile for clarity and relevance, because AI tools are going to often pull from that listing. 2nd, adopt an omnichannel approach. Use voice search optimization, video snippets, structured local listings, social media, email, website information, and more to have one central idea. And 3, incorporate schema markup. Your SEO team is going to know what that means. Don't disregard Google, but also ensure that you're not only relying on one single channel strategy, because you're going to leave money on the table. For a step-by-step marketing framework on how to attract high-paying patients, ensure ROI is predictable and profitable, and scale your practice efficiently, watch the video that's about to pop up. Our CEO and our CMO will provide a 4-step strategy that we use to help dental groups grow rapidly without wasting time or money.